I'm going to try and sort this out. We're at the front of the car. This is the front valance here, this is the bottom of the car, this is the air scoop, and we've got this wired edge here with rot right next to it, a hole there. So I want to try and repair that. Years ago when I was a young fella, I had an old Rover, and it had a big wing like this with a wired edge, and it had split through here, and I welded it up. And the old fella who lived near me says it's pointless doing that unless you repair the wire inside, it's lost all its strength. And of course I hadn't done that. So we're going to have a go at it. I'm going to warm this up. Try and peel back this edge here so I don't get into cut this shape out here. I think it's the dotted line there. That's roughly where I'm going to want to cut. So if I can peel it back to get a cut so that I don't cut through this wire, I want to try and leave that intact. So before I cut it out, I want to actually make the panel as far as I can, so as I can use the old bodywork as a form. And this is the shape I first got to try and create. So putting a straight fold is not any sort of challenge, is it? But here we've got a curve going that way, and also a curve going that way. So it's a bit more tricky. Here's my bit of metal that I'm going to start with, and this will be the rolled edge. Now I'm guessing that wire is 3mm diameter, and this here needs to be about 2.5 times the thickness of the wire. So what's that, 7.5mm, something like that. So, but I'm still guessing. So I made this about 10 or 12mm, so I can cut some off if I need to. So I'll show you how I'm going to have a go at first making this shape. Okay, this is my bit of metal, and I put the line on both sides that I want to make that fold on, and from here to here is almost straight. It does kink up a little bit at the end, but I don't think that's worth worrying about. Then it starts to curve. So I can just bend this section in the vise. So I've almost got that to 45, and then this bit I'm just going to hammer over. You just got to try and feel the edge there. Of course that doesn't want to go there because we're on a straight edge and the curve's going the wrong way for that. So let's try with the tape. So well, that's achieved that shape, and by putting those bends in, because it doesn't really want to bend that way, and it's actually bending the metal the wrong way of what we want. We want it to bend that way, and it's bending that way. So next challenge is to try and make this bend like that. And I don't want to put any nicks in there, because trying to fold that around the wire is just going to get messy. So I'll show you my next trick. Okay, next bit. So you're going to need oxyacetylene for this. I don't think you do it with propane. And what I want to do is just I've got this in the vise, and I'm just going to heat up a tiny little spot right next to the vice jaw and push it down, and heat it and push it down, and heat it and push it, and just keep moving along, and that will start to come good, he said. So you get the idea, so I'll have a go at that, and I'll come back to it. And of course every so often you've got to take it out and knock down all those crinkles. This is after a couple of minutes of doing that, and it's already started to bend the right way. So carry on with that.